Alright guys, welcome to episode 65 of In the Shop with Custom Lows. We got the latest enclosure just finished up for CUSTOMLOWZ 8s. It's going under the seat of a 2006 Nissan Titan. White bed liner on the outside, black bed liner on the inside, plexiglass LEDs. I'll show you guys more of the enclosure now. So like I said, this enclosure is for CUSTOMLOWZ 8s. It's going in a 2006 Nissan Titan. It's got the white bed liner on the outside, black bed liner on the inside, plexi on the sides, the top. I really like the windows on the top of this thing. I did a little something different than I normally do and did more of a raised detail around the windows. I think it gave it some really cool depth. And also the white on the outside and the black on the inside is a really cool combo, I think. It really actually makes the LEDs shine really bright on the perimeters of the windows as well. So unintentional, because I don't know if I've ever even done a white bed liner enclosure yet, but this one definitely turned out really nice. I am super happy with it. I've of course done the white on the inside, but on the outside doing a flip-flop. His truck is white on the outside and his interior is black on the inside, so we're kind of playing off on that, but definitely happy with how this enclosure came out. It's got a double baffle with flush mounts. Got the big plexi window on the front. Again, the two on the top. With the lights in the shop, it makes it really hard to see the actual LEDs, how bright they are. I have a bunch of videos I'll put in. Maybe I'll do them right now. But either way, they're definitely bright. Definitely make this enclosure pop. This thing's gonna look awesome in his truck. I'm excited for him to get it. It's been a long time coming. Got the side ports right there, slot ports. I'm not gonna go too far over specs and stuff like that. Roughly 3 cubes. Around 33 hertz tuning. Another slot port on the side there. Thing is definitely a nice enclosure. Alright, in the back here, really didn't have a good spot to put the SMD terminal. I actually went with the top. I figured this will work out good because also these, like I said, the windows have that raised profile on them, so the seat's not going to hit that thing there. I got the LED wires ran through there, sealed off, secured on the back so they're not going to get tugged or ruined or whatever. Extra long leads on the back. I always provide long leads like that just because I don't know where you guys are personally going to install your LED controllers, so I'd rather give you plenty of length so you can install them wherever you want to in the vehicle. Everything, of course, is always soldered. Got the LEDs inside. These are RGB LEDs. Things look really nice. Let me know what you guys think of this enclosure in the comments below. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you do so now. You can also order underseat enclosures, subwoofer enclosures, custom enclosures, whatever you guys need off my website. Got links in the description below. Also my email's down there if you need to contact me. guys, like I said, if you guys need enclosures for your truck or custom enclosures, make sure you go check out my website, www.CUSTOMLOWZ.com. I got links in the description below for everything you're gonna need there. You can also order subwoofers, enclosure designs, pre-made enclosure designs, and some of the best enclosures you're gonna get on the internet. Go check them out, www.CUSTOMLOWZ.com. Like I said, I can build them custom for almost any truck, vehicle, SUV, car, whatever you have, I can build it. Go check it out. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for checking out my videos. If you've not followed, like I said, make sure you do so now. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. For my Patreon supporters, thank you, Patreon supporters. Getting mumbled. For my Patreon supporters, thank you so much for supporting everything I do. I really appreciate it. I'm not gonna go over the names again. I'm trying something new, but I think this will be a little better anyway. But either way, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube members and my new YouTube member. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Appreciate everything you guys are going to do. Everything you guys are doing. I'm like running out of breath doing this video. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll be back with the next enclosure.